Open the pouch and take out the water measuring spatula. Use the water measuring spatula to add 7 spoonfuls of water into the pouch, then seal the zipper at the top. Flip the pouch upside down and shake well so the powder and water mix evenly. Additionally, knead the pouch with your hands to complete the modeling pack mixture. Cut along the tear line on the bottom right corner of the pouch, then squeeze the pouch to dispense the mixture onto the spatula. Evenly spread the prepared mixture on your face in the order of cheeks, chin, forehead, and nose. After 15 to 20 minutes, peel off the hardened pack and finish by wiping with toner and applying basic skincare products.